Hello friends. This video is brought to you by mywayteaching.com.
We should remember that mean obtained by direct method or assumed mean method or the step deviation method is same. Choice of method to be used depends on the numerical value of xi and fi. If they are small, then the direct method is appropriate choice. If xi and fi are numerically large numbers, then we can go for assumed mean method or step deviation method. If the class sizes are unequal and xi's are large numbers, we can still apply step deviation method by taking h to be a suitable divisor of all the di's. Let us read the question. The distribution below shows the number of wickets taken by bowlers in one-day cricket matches. Find the mean number of wickets by choosing a suitable method. What does the mean signify? Let us analyze the data first. We are given the class intervals which are continuous, but we can see that class size is varying. 60 minus 20 is 40, 100 minus 60 is 40, 150 minus 100 is 50, 250 minus 150 is 50. So that means our class size is varying, but still let us use step deviation method. For that, we start by finding the class mark, which is upper limit plus lower limit whole by 2. Hence we have 20 plus 60, that is 80 by 2, comes to be 40. Next one, 60 plus 100 whole by 2 is 80. 100 plus 150 whole by 2 is 125, and so on. Next step is to find assumed mean and denoted by A. Here we can take 125 or 200. So let us assume assumed mean to be 200. Also observe that xi's in the data are large, which has also prompted us to use step deviation method. Now let us calculate deviation from the assumed mean, that is given by di equal to xi minus a, that is 200. We have 40 minus 200 is minus 160, 80 minus 200 minus 120, and so on. Now since the class size are unequal, and to apply step deviation method we need h, which is the class size. So we will take h to be a suitable divisor depending on the di's that we have. So let us choose h equal to 20 and find ui. We will have minus 160 by 20 will give us minus 8. Next one is minus 6, and so on. Once the column is complete, we are in a position to find ui into fi. 7 into minus 8 is minus 56. 5 into minus 6 is minus 30. And so on, complete the column. Now we have to find u bar, which is given by summation fi into ui whole by summation Fi. Sum of the frequencies is 45. So our denominator is 45. And sum of Ui into Fi is minus 106. So the numerator is minus 106. Now we can find x bar by substituting the values here. We get x bar equal to 200, which is A, plus u bar is minus 106 by 45 into h, which is 20. This gives us x bar equal to 152.89. This mean tells us that on an average the number of wickets taken by 45 bowlers in one day cricket is 152.89.